SINBON is a comprehensive solutions provider. From raw material sourcing, product design, proofing, manufacturing, logistics, and delivery to after-sales service, SINBON provides customers with a complete elastic model of cooperation. With the assistance of SINBON's design and manufacturing, customers' initial ideas for their products can transform into customers' ideal products. SINBON's scope of services covers automotive, medical, aesthetic medicine, aerospace, semiconductor, wind energy, solar energy, industrial applications, wireless transmission, and other high-precision cable assembly, PCB assembly, and box build manufacturing. SINBON benefits from long-term accumulated experience and knowledge in each field to provide customers perfect product consultation and technical support services in coordination with global business networks and logistics services. SINBON ensures the most reliable supply, the most outstanding quality, and the most secure delivery to achieve the best solution for customers' needs. To provide customers with optimized design and manufacturing solutions has always been our service credo. SINBON aims to maximize benefits for customers and introduces new equipments, including low-pressure molding machine, braiding machine, automated potting machine, 200-ton injection machine, robotic arm for molding machine, automated pre-connector assembly machine, air pressure for IP seal tester. Besides this, we also develop software and adjust production lines in progression. SINBON has swept into factory automation in order to enhance production quality as well as stability, and at the same time reduce labor cost. SINBON also has the capability to develop software and testing fixtures. After cable and PCB assembly, SINBON can independently test products for signal conversion and conduction function. All test data are then uploaded to the cloud, allowing customers to conduct tracking and make inquiries at any time via the Internet. Striving for self-improvement is a key expectation for SINBON. Take vehicle parts, for example. The safety of this kind of product provides peace of mind to car owners as they drive their family safely home. This is the driving force behind SINBON's continual demand for self-improvement. We set up stringent safety inspections during the manufacturing process, thereby effectively managing any uncertain factors in the production process and minimizing risks. Products in the medical field have stringent standards for safety and accuracy. Many customers require products to pass IPC A620 Class 3 inspection standards. SINBON can not only precisely meet these customer demands, we can also provide design, manufacturing, detection, and other integrated services. In addition to using the wiring board to assemble cables, SINBON independently developed a testing function. The conductivity test for cables on the wiring board ensures the finished cable products have no conductivity problems in order to provide reliable products to customers. As a comprehensive solutions provider, SINBON also has a wire drawing factory that can provide mixing glue materials and drawing wire, as well as coiling wires, testing, and other services. We can allocate the appropriate proportions of plastic materials according to different cable product specifications and in line with special environmental use requirements, as well as provide drawing line services that ensure the quality of raw materials. PCB is quite precise and does not allow for the slightest negligence or error. SINBON introduced software and equipment to enhance material control and manufacturing quality. SINBON uses the service standards of international customers to manage the PCBA factory and uses professional engineering designs and manufacturing quality to garner those customers' approval. The mold is indispensable in the production process. Manufacturing a complete mold requires going through many complex procedures in order to shape the cold metal into the mold base we require. In addition to being able to manufacture molds, SINBON also has development and design capabilities. In order to increase the precision of mold development, we finance the introduction of a software system package. During the early design stage, this software model can simulate the pressure and flow conditions of injecting plastic material using scientific methods to assist analysis and adjust the designs. SINBON pursues stable and reliable quality, so product testing is an important production process for us. The simulation of product durability in different environments saves customers external examination fees and ensures product quality. Currently, SINBON has production facilities set up in China, Taiwan, USA, and Hungary, with a workforce exceeding 4,000 people. We have obtained a number of international certifications covering aerospace, medical, automotive, greenhouse gases, and labor safety. SINBON adopts international specifications and ensures employee safety, and our products adhere to rigorous standards, thereby providing good quality to our customers. At the same time, SINBON does its utmost to protect the environment. In accordance with the rise of global awareness, SINBON actively promotes relevant green action programs. SINBON is confident that our design and manufacturing of cable assembly, PCB assembly, and box build products in all kinds of industrial areas will definitely make the operation of machinery and equipment more stable, and let the people using those products experience high quality and a more convenient life with peace of mind as well. This is SINBON's mission. Together with our customers, we will continue to impact the world and impact each other's lives.